Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bitget Wallet account. Bitget Wallet is a secure digital wallet that allows you to store, manage and trade various types of cryptocurrencies. So in order to create a Bitget Wallet account, first of all, you need to open the Bitget Wallet application on your phone. Once you open it, this will be the interface. Here you need to tap on Create Wallet option. Now agree to the terms and conditions. After this, you will be asked to enter a PIN code here. So enter a PIN code that you can remember. Now it will take few seconds, so you need to wait for a while. And now here you can see that the wallet is successfully created. So this is how you can create your Bitget wallet account. Now you can further back up your account as well, so that if you ever lose your account, you can recover or import it. So in order to back up, you need to tap on the backup option right over here. So you will be provided a mnemonic phrase which is equivalent to your wallet password. Also, you should transcribe your mnemonic phrase by hand or store it securely on an offline device, because copying or screenshotting mnemonic phrase is not suggested. So you can go through all this information once, and once you have reviewed it, you need to tap on back to mnemonics option. Now you will be asked to enter your PIN code here. And now here is your backup mnemonics phrase which you need to remember. So you can note it down in a safe place, and once you are done, tap on back to mnemonics option on the downside. After this, you need to answer this backup quiz. So what you need to do is to verify the mnemonic phrase in order. So we have all the mnemonic phrases here, as you can see. Now you need to fill these boxes with the phrases that are according to their order. And once you are done with the backup quiz, you need to tap on the confirm option right over here. And that's it, your backup is succeeded. So this is how you can create a Bitget wallet account. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thank you for watching.